Welcome to our video about how to speed up Windows 10. If you've been experiencing slow performance on your computer, this video will provide you with some tips and tricks to help optimize your system and improve your overall user experience. Windows 10 is a powerful operating system, but it can sometimes become slow and unresponsive. This can be frustrating, especially if you use your computer for work or gaming. Fortunately, there are several ways to speed up your Windows 10 computer. One of the easiest ways to speed up your Windows 10 computer is to remove any unnecessary programs or apps that you no longer use. Over time, your computer can accumulate a lot of software that you no longer need, and this can take up valuable disk space and slow down system performance. You can do this by going to the control panel and selecting Programs and Features to uninstall any unwanted programs. Another way to improve system performance is to disable any startup programs that you don't need. These programs can slow down the boot up process and use up valuable system resources. To do this, open the Task Manager and go to the Startup tab to disable any unnecessary programs from starting up with your computer. You can also try optimizing your system settings by disabling any visual effects and animations that you don't need. This can help free up system resources and improve overall performance. To do this, go to the control panel and select System, then Advanced System Settings, and under the Performance section select Settings, and choose the option for Adjust for Best Performance. Another way to speed up your Windows 10 computer is to update your drivers. Outdated drivers can cause system crashes and slow down system performance. To update your drivers, go to the Device Manager, select the device you want to update, right-click it and select Update Driver. You can also try optimizing your power settings. By default, Windows 10 is set to use a balanced power plan, but you can change it to a high-performance power plan for better performance. To do this, go to the control panel and select Power Options, and choose the high-performance plan. Another way to improve system performance is to clean up your disk space. You can do this by using the built-in Disk Cleanup tool. This tool can help remove temporary files, system files, and other unnecessary files that are taking up valuable disk space. To use Disk Cleanup, go to the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and select the option to run the tool. You can also try disabling any unnecessary services that are running in the background. These services can slow down system performance and use up valuable system resources. To disable services, go to the control panel and select Administrative Tools, and then Services. From there, you can stop any services that you don't need. Upgrading your hardware can also help improve system performance. Upgrading your RAM, for example, can help improve multitasking and overall system speed. You can also upgrade your hard drive to an SSD, which can significantly improve system performance by reducing load times and increasing data transfer speeds. Another way to help speed up your Windows 10 computer is to use the built-in Performance Monitor. This tool allows you to monitor the performance of your system in real time and can help identify any bottlenecks or issues that may be slowing down your system. To use the Performance Monitor, go to the Start menu and type Performance Monitor in the search bar. From there, you can monitor your system performance and identify any areas that may need improvement. Lastly, it's important to ensure that your computer is free from viruses and malware. These malicious programs can cause significant damage to your system, including slowing down system performance, stealing personal information, and even damaging your hardware. To protect your system from viruses and malware, make sure you have a reputable antivirus program installed and regularly perform scans to detect and remove any threats. There are several ways to speed up your Windows 10 computer and improve your overall user experience. By following these tips and tricks, you can help optimize your system and make it run faster and smoother. Remember to regularly perform maintenance tasks, keep your system up to date, and protect your system from viruses and malware to ensure that your computer stays fast and reliable. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.